Excuse me? Sorry to interrupt. I'm in a bit of a pickle. Any chance you've got a water bottle? Maybe some extra strength Tylenol? Ah! I took a little whoopsie tumble. Tripped on a small rock and then boom, woke up here. Oh man, is it possible to break a lung? I think my lung is broken.
I'm a little busy.
Are you hunting or something?
No.
Oh my God, am I prying too much? My bad. My grandma's always telling me I need to do a better job at minding my own business.
No. No, it's fine. It's fine. I came out here to get a breath of fresh air. I just wasn't expecting you.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but hunting isn't really cool these days. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's nothing better than a juicy steak that melts in your mouth like butter. But veganism is the way of the future. I mean, have you ever had one of those Impossible burgers? They're impossibly good. God. That doesn't feel good.
Yeah, well, you're sure talking a lot for a guy who says he's got a broken lung.
I think I'm dying.
Great.
Who would have thought bird running could be so dangerous, you know?
Bird running. That's not a thing.
Oh, it is. Extreme bird watching. You run with the birds as they fly. A very advanced technique.
That explains the fall.
Listen, I know you're busy and all, but if it's not too much trouble, do you think you can maybe help me get to a hospital? You short on time, you could just drop me off outside with a note like an abandoned orphan, you know? I think I broke a lung. I normally don't get into cars with strangers, but you seem like a pretty good guy.
Oh, thanks.
I gotta be honest, though. I don't think suicide's the answer. A wise woman once said, "The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun." Whatever's going on, man, it's gonna get better.
I'm glad I bumped into you.
Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow,
you're always a day away.
Chin up, babe, tomorrow's a new year, little darling. All lane sign and all